Risk profiles give advisors another leg up in proposal generation by matching investments to clients' comfort with risk, financial goals, and time horizon. YCharts portfolio reports feature risk profile information, directly connecting a client's risk preferences to investment recommendations in a simple, intuitive process for advisors. This feature includes both custom risk profiles tailored to an individual client's unique preferences, as well as standardized risk profiles for larger firms who want to implement predefined categories for all advisors. Examples can be conservative, moderate, and aggressive. YCharts simplifies the process for advisors by providing a consistent framework that works for clients across the board. Simply bring in a client's current portfolio and select one of your model strategies that matches a desired risk profile, as well as any talking points you'd like to highlight. In a few clicks, this will generate a PDF report that can serve as useful take-home collateral for the client to help you illustrate your advisory's value proposition and win new business. Risk profiles are designed to deliver more personalized, relevant, and impactful proposals that help advisors meet clients where they are. To get started with risk profiles and YCharts portfolio reports, reach out to an account manager or start a free trial of YCharts today.